Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through your iPhone won't connect to Wi-Fi problem. We will try to solve it. To solve this problem, first of all, check that your cellular is working fine or not. Then turn on the cellular data and then scroll down and then turn off the Wi-Fi assist and then again turn the cellular data off. Once you do that, turn off your Wi-Fi and then again turn it on after a few seconds. Then go back and scroll down and go through the privacy and security. From there, go through the location services. And if you scroll down there, you'll see system services. Go through it and turn off the networking and wireless. Once you do that, turn off your phone for few seconds and then again turn it back on. Once you turn it back on, go back to the setting and location services, and through the system services turn on the networking and wireless. This will solve your issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.